If you want to make your edits look more dynamic and professional, then learning how to use motion tracking in CapCut PC is a great skill to have. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track text, stickers, or images so they follow movement in your clip. This is perfect for adding captions, callouts, labels, arrows, or fun effects that stay locked onto a subject as it moves across the screen. And, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and add your main video clip to the timeline. This is the base clip that everything else will follow. Make sure your video is placed properly on the timeline before you add anything else, because the motion tracking effect needs a main clip to analyze. Once your main video is in place, the next step is to add your tracking element. This can be text, a sticker, or even an image depending on the effect you want to create. Drag that element onto the timeline and stretch it so it matches the full duration of your video. This is really important, because if the element is too short, it won't stay visible for the full tracking sequence. After that, click on your text sticker or image layer in the timeline so it becomes highlighted. Selecting the correct layer is key because CapCut needs to know which element you want to attach to the movement in your video. Now look to the top right editing panel and open the Tracking tab. Inside that tab, click Motion Tracking. This is the feature that tells CapCut to analyze movement in your clip and connect your selected element to that motion. Once the tracking option is open, make sure everything looks correct, then click Apply. CapCut will start processing the motion tracking effect and link your element to the movement in the scene. Depending on the length and complexity of your video, this may take a few moments. After it finishes, play your video back and check the result. Your text, sticker, or image should now follow the moving subject or area you tracked, giving your edit a much more polished and cinematic look. If the motion doesn't look quite right, you can always go back, adjust the layer, and try again until it fits perfectly. Motion tracking is one of those tools that can instantly make your videos feel more advanced, even if the process itself is simple. It's great for tutorials, gaming edits, vlogs, product videos, and any content where you want an object or label to stay attached to movement. So to recap, you add your main clip, add your tracking element, select the layer, open the Tracking tab, choose Motion Tracking, and click Apply. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut PC tips, editing tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.